He flies thousands of kilometers each year, looking for travelers to stalk for days on end. Wolves are a vulture's favorite companion. They offer the most bounty in a barren landscape. Starving mountain residents are quick to find the spoils. He is not competing for the same meal as she-wolf. He patiently waits for just a moment longer until she has had enough. He is not like other vultures. His diet does not contain flesh or skin. He has his own special recipe. First, he breaks the carcass into smaller pieces. Then, he takes the chosen morsel 50 meters up in the air. Next, he drops it carefully on the rocks. Et voilà, dinner is served. Broken bones are all the bearded vulture desires. His stomach contains the most powerful digestive acid in the world. And he makes a light meal of what others discard.